Hello everyone, welcome back. Alright, I reached into the locks that the Late Night Lockpicker sent me. And he's one of our fellow pickers up in Canada. And guys, if you haven't seen any of his videos, please go check out his channel. Well, he's making challenge locks and he's a really good picker too. So yeah, go check out his channel. But anyways, I got one of his challenge locks here. Don't turn 180. Because he's got, well, the holes here in the bottom will end up, oh, and it looks like he's, looks like there's some threading here in number 1 too, so he's probably threaded chamber 1 for sure. But anyways, we'll end up dropping all the key pins if we turn it 180. And he sent a blank key with it too. Not sure why or whatever, but he did send that with it anyway. But anyways, we're going to put this in the vise. We're going to see if we can get it open, and well, we'll see what he put inside of it for us. Okay, let me zoom this in for us. Oops, almost knocked the camera off. Alright, let me turn that a little bit so we can see. And here, I'll bring up the camera just a hair more. Alright, well, we'll go with top of the keyway. Ooh, that's a wide open keyway too. Might want to go, no, we'll go with top of the keyway. Alright, and quick set. I guess I'm going to go and use this gem that Trickmaster 30 made me. Alright, let's see what we got here. Nothing on 1. Oh, a little click off of 2. I think it's still binding. Oh, a couple clicks off of 2. Oh, that might have been an overset. Alright, see what else we can find here. Okay, that was a little bit off of 4, a bunch of crunching there. Okay, I'm getting a little counter there off of 3. Might have been an overset though. I think I better put a little more tension on this lock. Couple of little clicks here and there. Not doing much though, I'm not getting much feedback. A little bit here on 5. That's at pin 3 again, wants to overset on me. Okay, a little click off of 4. Okay, and we're open on 3. Alright, let's see what he's got in this lock for us. Alright, let me zoom this out. And grab my pinning tray. And we don't have a key, so we do not want to lock it up. Let's see here. Grab my tool. That doesn't want to fit. Either side. Alright, we're going the old-fashioned way. Alright, what do I do with that pick? Here we go. Let's just take it off like this. Alright. Let's see if I get that spring out of there. No, it doesn't want to come out. That's alright. Okay, the key pins are there. Let me spin this a little bit this way. Okay, let's throw a shim in there. It's hard to tell where the drivers are in this one. Let me see, try to line it up this way. Oh, so we get it in there. Alright. See what we got here. Alright. Okay, well, we can see he threaded every single chamber here in the core. And, well, it looks like everything needed to be picked. Alright, let's see what we got here. Bring that down a little more for us. Alright, pin 1 is a double spool. I'm gonna grab my tweezers. Pin 2 is a single spool. Pin 3 is another double spool. Pin 4 is another spool. Looks like it did a little bit of work in the middle of that spool too. And pin 5 is another spool. It actually looks like he's got some serration. Yeah, he's got a serration on the top of that spool too. A nice sharp serration in there. Pretty awesome. Alright, like I said, he's got everything threaded here in the core. Let's see what he's got up here in the Bible. Okay, looks like we have a commercial spool. A little itty bitty one, and he went underneath my tray. Alright, make sure I get that spring out. And grab a pick. Oh, that's why I didn't want to come out. That's a double spring. He's got 2 springs wound into one. Alright. Grab my tweezers again. Pin 2 is, excuse me, is a commercial serrated. Looks like we have a copper spring. Another commercial serrated. I don't want to bang it up there. That one doesn't want to come out. Oh, maybe it'll come out now. There it is. Another little copper spring. Alright, number 4. Another commercial serrated. And possibly a brass spring. Alright, let's go in here, in the back here for number 5. And we have a commercial spool. And another spring that does not want to cooperate for us. Or did it? Oh, there it is. Very tiny copper spring, I believe. Alright, and up here, I know he must have threaded chamber 1 because I could see the threads right there in the top. Yeah, and it looks like he barely caught the top of it, though. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a couple threads just in the top of it. Alright, well, let's take a look at his pins. Move that a little bit for us. Okay. Key pin 1, we have a double spool. 2, a single spool. Another double spool here in 3. Another spool with a little bit of work done in the middle of that. Almost like it's beveled on both sides. And another pretty cool spool here with a very sharp single serration on the top of that. Pretty nice pin there. And then up top we have a commercial spool, commercial serrated, commercial serrated, commercial serrated, and a commercial spool. And then we have a double wound spring here, couple of copper springs, or brass, not sure, possibly copper, and a very short copper. But yeah, that is what he put in the lock for us, and yeah. Alright guys, again, Late Night Lock Picker, thank you for all the locks you sent me, my friend. And yeah guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah everyone, be safe and please stay legal. Thanks guys, bye.